The T-14 Armata first publicly appeared at Moscow's 2015 Victory Day Parade, marking 70 years since the military defeat of Nazi Germany. Touted as an invincible warfighting machine, the tank malfunctioned and had to be towed away. Nevertheless, the tank at first shocked the West when first revealed, using concepts that were a total break from Soviet-era designs. The Armata was developed as a replacement for the canceled T-95 and possibly uses some of its technology. It's the first Russian, truly new production tank since the T-72, which was adopted back in 1973. The design of the Armata focuses on heavier armor and crew survivability. Probably the best known and liked aspect of the design is the capsule prepared for the crew. Russian tanks like T-72s, T-80s, and T-90s, which are being knocked out by Ukrainian forces in large numbers, have reportedly been destroyed in many instances by top-down attacks. The T-14 Armata, however, may be quite different in this respect, as it has an unmanned turret. This would of course initially make the tank much more survivable simply by virtue of removing soldiers from operating in a vulnerable position up top. The other big defensive upgrade on the T-14 is its Afghan Active Protection System, which includes radars that detect an incoming projectile and dispensers that automatically launch a countercharge to shoot down or at least degrade the incoming munition. While the T-14 isn't the first Russian tank with a hard-kill active protection system, it could greatly reduce the effectiveness of long-distance anti-tank guided missiles approaching from the covered arcs. However, the radar and charges don't appear angled to defeat near-vertical attacks, like a plunging javelin missile or an overflying drone. On the offensive side of things, it's armed with a new 2A-82-1M 125mm gun with a higher muzzle velocity than the 2A-46 on most Russian tanks. The firepower boost could matter should T-14s ever engage heavily armored Western-supplied Leopard 2 or M1 tanks, but realistically, tank duels remain relatively rare in Ukraine. Interestingly, the T-14 is equipped with a lavatory. The toilet system is meant to help Russian tank crews during long missions with few stops or none at all. Many modern tanks, such as the iconic US-built M1 Abrams, lack this feature, forcing soldiers to improvise on the field. Russia had initially intended to mass-produce and field as many as 2,300 Armatas by 2025, but until now, only around 20 have been delivered to the Russian armed forces. For now, there are only rumors that Russia has begun using them to fire on Ukrainian positions, but they have not yet participated in direct assault operations. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Also, visit our second channel with military power comparisons. See you next time.